Welcome to Panipat Railway Station. This station is managed by the Northern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. This station has a total number of 5 platforms and 1 foot-over bridge. There are 2 entry-exit gates to the station. The foot-over bridge has stairs at all the platforms. Lifts are available at platform 1, 2 and 3. At the main entrance, there is parking, and in the main hall, there is a reservation, inquiry and booking office.
Reservation place, ask place and booking office. And have
all the offices and passenger amenities are present on platform 1, such as Chief Ticket Examiner, Dormitory, Station Master, Station Superintendent Office, First Class Waiting Hall, First Class Waiting Room, Ladies, GRP Office and RPF Office.
Railway Police and GRP Office. 1.
There are Divyang toilets and water boats at platform 1.
There are water booths and ladies and gents toilets on.
There are water booths at all the platforms and ladies and gents toilets are available at platform 1, 2 and 3. The back entrance has stairs connected to the foot-over bridge. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate a person using a wheelchair to board the train. Station platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premise and facilities are installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas.
And Project Do Anuprayaas. PRAYAAS. One more, just do simply.